Hi, this is Brendan from VoIP33, and today I'll be showing you how a new technology called cloud communication, aka VoIP, and how it can help you save 30% to 75% in business communications costs, and can even save you thousands in payroll expenses. I'll explain how in just a minute, but first, let me show you what cloud communication really is. Simply put, cloud communications allows your business to connect calls over the internet. You might already have experienced something similar at the consumer level over various instant messaging apps. However, cloud communications focuses on business use. Because of this, it offers features that cut costs, boosts revenue, and even helps train employees. So what does cloud communication actually look like? Well, at the surface level, it looks like a software platform. But behind the software lies the cloud communication technology. You can think of it like the relationship between the internet and your web browser. Just like how your web browser is the intermediary that allows you to use the internet, the software platform allows you to connect to cloud communication technology. The software itself can be used on a variety of devices, like your laptop, tablet, or even your smartphone. And it can also connect to a special type of desk phone that's designed specifically to connect to the cloud communication platform. So why would you use cloud communication over a landline? The main reason why many businesses choose cloud communication is because it can save up to 35 to 70% in communications expenses. With cloud communication, your phone calls are routed through the internet, where data transfer is very cheap, which in turn can save your business a small fortune in expenses, especially if you have 5 or more lines. But to your customers, your phone system looks no different to them than a regular landline. They can call you locally or internationally by phoning your number, just as they normally would. Except behind the scenes, your business will be saving 35 to 70% in communications costs. On top of these savings, using cloud communications gives your phone system access to features like the auto attendant feature, which removes the need for a phone receptionist. This can save you thousands in payroll expenses. Crystal clear call quality, detailed analytics that allow you to make accurate, data-driven business decisions. To get access to cloud communication and these features, your business will need to meet 2 easy requirements. At the basic level, you'll need a reasonably stable internet connection and a device to connect calls with, for example, a computer, laptop, or smartphone. Optionally, you can choose to rent or purchase desk phones that are specially designed to connect calls via cloud communication. Now you may be wondering, how much will all of this cost? Well, if you already have an internet connection and the required hardware, i.e. computers, laptops, or smartphones, all you have to do is find the right cloud communication provider. But because there are over 1,000 cloud communication providers, it can be a nightmare to choose the right one. That's why we'll show you how to easily find and pick the right provider for you in just a minute. But once you've found the right provider for your business, their plan will typically be structured as a low-cost monthly fee. These monthly fees usually start from just $20 per month, and you can think of it like the monthly payments you make for your mobile phone. If you need more users, most cloud communication providers will add on an extra fee to your monthly payments. Plus, with cloud communication, there are no costly infrastructure or installation fees. This is in stark contrast with a landline phone system, which can cost a fortune in infrastructure and installation expenses. But what's even better with cloud communication is, you don't have to fully commit your entire business if you don't want to. It's easy to trial cloud communication because there's no expensive installation required. And you may want to trial cloud communication for a small team within your business and see how your staff like it. For example, if your business relies on the phone to provide customer service or sale, you could trial cloud communications for a select few team members. And on this trial, they could try the listen-in feature. This allows senior staff to listen in on a call real time without the caller's knowledge. This is an excellent tool for supervisors to check quality control on customer service team members. On top of this, your team could also try the mumble feature, which allows the supervisor to whisper tips to newer staff or trainees. The caller never hears these tips, only the trainee does, making the mumble feature a great training tool. And should the call go south, the supervisor can use the barge in feature to take over the call, making it a three-way conference call between the customer, trainee, and supervisor. These are just a few reasons why cloud communications is perfect for businesses who offer customer service over the phone or sale. Or if you're a service business that relies on maintaining great relationships with clients, you can try the various cloud communications features like call conferencing, call routing, voicemail to email, and more. Call conferencing allows you to invite staff or clients to a multi-way call with any device they choose. Call routing allows you to route calls to various team members depending on their status. For example, if Jane is too busy to take a client's call, instead of giving the client an automated voicemail message, the call can instead be routed to Frank. This results in a much better client experience and gives your firm a strong reputation for great service. And on the flip side, it also boosts your team members' productivity by allowing them to focus on their own work too. Then, voicemail to email is another great feature that cloud communication offers. With this feature, whenever a voicemail comes in, it automatically transcribes the voice message and sends it to your email, along with the audio file. This is useful as it leaves a digital paper trail you can later follow up with. Or you can skim the message, and if it's urgent, you can call the client back immediately. Lastly, if you're in the retail industry, you can trial the auto attendant feature. Basically, this feature eliminates the need for a phone receptionist, saving you thousands every year in payroll expenses. So what is the auto attendant feature? Simply put, the auto attendant feature is an automated voice system that greets callers and directs them to the service they need. For example, the caller could press 1 for customer service, 2 for sales, 3 for technical help, and so on. On top of this, the auto attendant can give a different message during after hours. In other words, the auto attendant is an employee that works for you 24/7 without complaint and is never late to work. And you don't even have to pay the auto attendant any wages. To conclude, if the idea of saving 35 to 70% of communication expenses every month and these various features interest you, cloud communication may be a perfect fit for your business. But there's just one problem. Because there are over 1,000 providers offering cloud communication services, it can be extremely time-consuming and difficult to research the best one that suits your needs. For example, cloud communication providers offer different features at differing rates, so it could take hours to find the right one. That's why at VoIP33, we offer a completely free service that is designed to help you find the right provider for your needs. All you have to do is fill out the free questionnaire by clicking below. Once you've filled out the form, our system will automatically search the VoIP provider database to find the best one that meets your needs. Remember, this does not lock you into any providers. It just suggests the best one based on your answers. So if you'd like to save time and find the right cloud communication provider for your business, please click the button and fill out the questionnaire. All you have to do is sign up for a free webinar below. Once you've signed up, one of the cloud communication specialists will set up a webinar for you that will answer all your questions and show you how cloud communications might benefit your business. So if you'd like to save time and get a customized webinar that shows you exactly what cloud communication could do for you, please click the button below and sign up for your free webinar.